right down the road from Dusty Road, there's Johnson Hill Trail. So here is a corner marker. We're kind of going to go along the long side of it, the short side of it first. This would be, I can't remember what direction this is. I want to say that on the north side, but I'm not positive. So a few trees, a few juniper trees here. As you can see, it's fenced in. This is 20 acres, so it's about half the amount of acres as the other one on Dusty Road. But the roads to get here are much, much better. So it's going to be closer into town as well. Already. Also, the property has a well and power to it. Here's a telephone box. It's at the corner of J Road and Johnson Hill. Three of the four sides are fenced, it says. It already has an entrance as well. It already has a septic tank as well. Amazing views. Looks like it might have a shared drive with this other person, neighbor. We have a water spigot right there already. Electrical pedestal. Electrical transformer. Looks like it might be the well down there. That might be the neighbor's well. Not positive. Let's see if we can find the wellhead. Neighbors. Here's some septic. Cable. Looks like gas that was ran to the home. Not usable right now. Looks like there's some existing tie downs here, but those will need to be updated and replaced. I'm not sure where the well goes. It might be a shared well agreement. Have to dig into that a little bit more, I think. Amazing views. And the roads to this property are really accessible. Very accessible. That's the McGee's over there. Got a nice property that they keep up. So you can kind of see right over here, that's the corner of the property over there. And then the gate is right here to come into the property. And there's a driveway that comes up there. And then there's a little road that comes here to give access to the neighbors there. Nice piece of property. Good roads, much better roads than the other one, but you have a little bit less of that variation in your landscaping. This is 9118 Johnson Trail. This is actually the property line right here. They've already got it staked out. They split the 40 acres. So originally this whole square was 40 acres and now it's actually 20 acres. So I'm standing on the property line right here and it's this half, this portion right here. That's the 20 acre parcel. So if we kind of come up this way, they've split the property in half. There's still power to the property and there's still septic on the property, but the other property doesn't have it. Or I think maybe that mobile home is on that other half. See this stake right here? That is the property boundary from there to there. So you can kind of see the property boundary kind of comes right here. So the house site is actually towards the back of the property, or the, I want to say east side of the property. Or more close to the neighbors.